Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if you want to change servers on Last War survival game. Now they haven't introduced a feature yet where you can directly change your server, but what you can do is that you can create a new character. And once you create a new character, you're going to be able to change the server on that. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go on your profile by clicking on this screen right here. And once you do that, you will go on account. Now once you go on account, this is the screen that you're going to see. Now from here you're going to click on manage characters, and this is the screen that you'll see. If you've got multiple characters, you see all of your characters right here, and from there you'll go on create new character. You'll press on create new character, and after that you will create your new character, and then you can change the server. So you cannot change the server on the character you already have right now, but you will be able to use a new server on a new character, since they have simply not introduced this yet. As you can see, they have not introduced it yet, so you will have to wait for the server transfer feature. Once that's available in the near future, you will be able to change server. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.